We got sushi again. We literally had this, I feel like not even a week ago, and I love this place so much. We got it again. So I got spicy mayo, eel sauce, my little Scooby-Doo dish to put my soy sauce in, connie salad, seaweed salad, of course. And then rolls for tonight, I got the yellowtail jalapeno again because honestly that was so good. I needed it again. And then I got a sexy boy, which is like tempura crab meat, cream cheese, shrimp, and mango on top. So excited. First bite of connie salad. Then we got seaweed salad, so good. I love their seaweed salad here. And then of course, you know the drill, seaweed salad, connie salad combo. Yum. Get into this sexy boy. Love the name. That's a lot of cream cheese. Yum. Yep. So good.